ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Pyntrei Lyngba jong ke jela konrad konggal sangma ula pentip ba ke sarkar jela Lyngba katanat penroi sor kala Pyntrei syat haduk Kumba arpusan Tylli ki projek ban pen internet ya ke jaka sor hapo ke jela Meghalaya. Haka jinya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Pyntrei Lyngba ula ong ba haduk menta palat sanspa klor tengka kadai ke pisa ke bala bay ne ke benta ban pen internet ya ke jaka sor ban nalor kata sa Kumba khatsan haduk arpau Tylli ki projek an sa Pyntrei kam shushu ha ka ban sa mang pisa sa Kumba arspa san folklore tengka hagini ki khendiat sngi ke bansawan.
My purpose was to see the current status of the work that's going on, and I'm happy to see the progress. Over 500 crores of work is in progress as we speak. About close to 25 projects are in progress, are being implemented. Another 15 to 20 more projects will be taken up, and amounting to about 250 plus crores will be taken up in the next few days. So the project works is going on as planned, and I'm happy to see the works. And I think within this financial year, next financial year, we should be seeing some of the projects being completed, and we should be able to inaugurate some of them.